Now let's learn about Chinese question particles. Question particles are always used at the end of the sentence in Chinese. There are four commonly used question particles. The first one, ma, is to ask yes or no question. The second one, 什么 means what. Pay attention to here, ma. We should pronounce as the fifth tone. We learned this before, right? It is called 轻声, 轻声. The third one, 谁 means who. The fourth one, 哪里 means where. Let's see some examples here. Have you been to China? We say, 你去过中国吗？你去过中国吗？ Ma is put at the end of the sentence. It is used as a question particle to check whether you have been to China or not. Let's see some more examples here. What is it? In Chinese, we say, 这是什么？这是什么？什么 is put at the end of the sentence, and it is checking the information of what. Who are you? In Chinese, we say, 你是谁？你是谁？谁 is a question particle we put at the end of the sentence. It is used to ask the information of who. Where are you? In Chinese, we say, 你在哪里？你在哪里？ As we can see, 哪里 is a question particle we put at the end of the sentence. It is used to ask where. Now you can see all the question particles are always put at the end of the sentence.